Looking for an affordable drone with GPS, FPV, dual cameras, smart flight features, and impressive aerial photography capabilities? In today's video, we're checking out the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026. From beginner-friendly foldable drones to models with GPS positioning, obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, smart follow modes, and high-resolution camera claims, these drones offer a lot of features for their price. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So, let's get started. Number 1. AE9 Remote Control Drone. This drone combines many of the features people are looking for in a modern, budget-friendly camera drone. It comes with an advertised 4K dual camera system, GPS, Wi-Fi FPV, smart follow, and trajectory flight. It also comes with a 4.5-inch screen remote controller, giving you a convenient way to monitor the FPV camera view while flying. The AE9 is designed around smart flight functionality, so it can appeal to users who want more than basic manual control. Some listings for the AE9 also advertise features such as intelligent flight modes and wide-angle camera functionality. Pros: 4K camera claim, dual cameras, GPS, Wi-Fi FPV, smart follow, trajectory flight, 4.5-inch screen remote, foldable style consumer drone design, good combination of features. Cons: actual image quality may differ from the advertised resolution. Wi-Fi FPV range can vary depending on interference and environment. Automated flight features still require responsible piloting. Review: the AE9 earns the number 1 position because it offers a very balanced combination of camera features, GPS, FPV, smart flight modes, and a screen-equipped controller. For someone searching for a drone that offers plenty of features without immediately jumping into the professional price range, the AE9 is one of the most interesting options in this list. Number 2. AERC AE51 Drone. One of its most interesting features is the included 4.5-inch screen remote controller, which can make the flying experience more convenient because you don't necessarily need to rely entirely on a separate smartphone display. The drone also includes GPS functionality, giving it access to features such as positioning and potentially automated return functions depending on the specific configuration. The product listing also identifies this model as a dual-camera drone with obstacle avoidance and smart follow functionality. Pros: 1080p HD camera, dual camera setup, GPS functionality, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, smart follow, airdrop feature, 4.5-inch screen remote, Wi-Fi FPV. The AERC AE51 stands out because it focuses on smart flying features and usability. The screen-equipped controller is a particularly interesting addition, while GPS, obstacle avoidance, and smart follow make it appealing to users who want more automated flying modes. If ease of use is more important to you than simply chasing the highest camera resolution number, the AE51 could be a very interesting choice. Number 3. K900 Max Drone. It features an advertised 8K professional HD dual camera setup, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, foldable construction, and obstacle avoidance. One of the major highlights is the brushless motor. Compared with inexpensive brushed motor drones, brushless systems can offer better operation and improved durability. The foldable design also makes the K900 Max practical for travel, while FPV connectivity gives you the ability to view the drone's camera feed during flight. Pros: 8K camera claim, dual cameras, brushless motors, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, foldable design, obstacle avoidance, suitable for outdoor recreational flying. Overall, the K900 Max is a strong choice for users who prioritize camera features, portability, and brushless motor performance. It combines several features normally associated with more expensive drones, making it an attractive option for recreational pilots and content creators on a budget. Number 4. SG109MAX Drone. The drone is designed to make flying easier with features such as GPS positioning, one-button return, follow functionality, and optical flow height holding. According to available product specifications, the SG109MAX is advertised with dual cameras, including a front camera and a bottom camera. The listing also describes GPS positioning, gesture photography, dual camera switching, and a brushless motor system. This makes the SG109MAX particularly interesting for users who want smart features rather than simply basic remote control flying. Pros: GPS positioning, dual camera system, 4K photo claim, Wi-Fi FPV, gesture photography, obstacle avoidance, follow me functionality, brushless motor, one-button return. The SG109MAX offers an impressive list of features for an affordable consumer drone. If you want GPS, smart flight modes, dual cameras, and a variety of automatic functions, this model is definitely worth considering. Number 5. Lenovo S.X1 Drone. It features wide-angle dual cameras, Wi-Fi FPV transmission, and a foldable quadcopter design, making it convenient to carry around for outdoor flights. One of the biggest highlights is the brushless motor system. Brushless motors are generally preferred over basic brushed motors because they can provide better efficiency, durability, and smoother performance. The foldable design also makes this drone easy to store and transport. Pros: foldable and portable design, dual camera setup, wide-angle aerial photography, Wi-Fi FPV functionality, brushless motors. Good option for casual outdoor flying. Overall, the Lenovo S.X1 is an interesting option if portability and camera features are your main priorities. It looks especially suitable for beginners and casual users who want a foldable drone without moving into the much more expensive professional drone category. And that's our list of the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. If this video helped you find your next drone, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more product reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.